guys, today we are going to be making a Toyota 4Runner, and I hope you enjoy making these crafts with me. So we're going to be using these parts for the Toyota 4Runner. I use a little paper, and here are some wheels. And so we're also going to be using a hot glue gun. So ask a parent for this, because if you're a little kid, you better ask a parent, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take pieces that are shaped like this, and I'm going to glue them on. But if I glue them on like this, it's not going to work. See, it's going to be too skinny. So that's why I'm going to take a piece like this, a glue carved out piece, and take my hot glue gun and glue both of the sides, and then glue it on to one of the shades like this. And then when you're done with one of them, try to do the exact same thing on the other side so there won't be an unequal balance. Like, that's kind of hard to do this. If there's not enough glue, just take it and add some more glue onto it so it could be more better. And I'll see you in the next scene with the next step. So the next step is we already have like our base. So the next thing we're gonna do is you need like a piece like this colored, and then what you need to do is take your hot glue gun, glue the bottom sides or the sides for more like strength, and then what you need to do is just glue it. And when it's glued good, I'll see you in the next step. So our 4Runner got like this, and the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna attach the Toyota sign for the front onto here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna need a hot glue gun. We're going to hot glue the top, hot glue one side, and hot glue the other. And then the thing we're gonna be doing is we glue it on and then when it gets good glued good, it's going to be a good thing. It's gonna look like this. So I'll see you in the next scene. So the thing we're gonna do next is we're going to add a piece like this to the top because it's topless. So the thing we're gonna do now is first we're going to take hot glue gun and we're gonna hot glue this whole piece. Remember, this is one of the hardest parts with the hot glue gun. So ask an adult to help if you need help. And then just plop, glue it on like that. And then you got that ready. And I'll see you in the next scene. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take a little small piece like this. It has a little Toyota icon on it. You could draw it if you want. And you need to glue it to here. And the thing you need to do that is you need the hot glue gun, and you need to put the pressure and glue this whole piece. And this you also need help because this is pretty dangerous, so you might need some help. And I'll see you in the next scene. Okay, so we got our base pretty good. So the thing we're gonna do is we're gonna attach this piece to this little hole because we don't want anything to happen to that piece. And now gonna take the hot glue gun. We're gonna glue a lot. We're gonna put some glue onto the piece, and also this is pretty hurtful. And then you just glue it on, stick it on like this. So it turned out pretty good. And I'll see you in the next. So the thing we're gonna be doing is we're gonna add the back because it doesn't look that good without a back. So you need a back like this, Toyota, the icon, and the model, 4Runner. So the thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our hot glue gun again. We're gonna glue the pieces, and then until it turns out to be like this, you take the piece, glue it on, then it turns something into like this. So come again and let's see for the bottom. So we have our full base body and it looks pretty good, but look at the bottom. We don't have a bottom. So what we're gonna do is so you need a glued piece all together like this, and then what you need to do is you need to attach it to the bottom. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your hot glue gun and you're gonna make something like this. We're going to glue the hot glue gun. We're gonna glue all around, and then when you're done with the gluing, attach it, and it makes something like this. Doesn't look like it doesn't look like a 4Runner yet, but it'll turn out to be like a 4Runner in the next scene. So we got already with this piece, and what is it missing? Wheels, because it can't drive. So what we're gonna add is some wheels. So if you need these wheels, I took them from a Lego. And how to make the wheels, you need a straw, a shish kebab skewer, and you need to glue them and some cardboard. And you could also, but now it's for the building time. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our hot glue gun. We're gonna glue the straw pretty good, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna attach it all like straight, and it turns out to be like this. It rolls.
Stop for a second. And also, if you need to pause the video, you could pause it if you want.
Yes, that's what my assistant said. And we finished the first wheel, so we're gonna do the next wheel. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take the hot glue gun. We're going to glue it on. We're gonna glue the straw, and we're gonna attach it. And you finish your 4Runner wheels. But we need to add some more detail, so I'll talk about the detail in the next scene. So what we're gonna do is we're going to use some shish kebab skewers for the railings on the top for like campers, like for camping. And we're also gonna use some cardboard pieces for the doorknobs. But first I think we're gonna do some cardboard pieces. So first you're gonna take a cardboard piece.
You could also color your, you could also put some other details like color it, if you want. And you could add some flowers, and if you're a girl, and like some boy stuff. Okay?
So that's what my assistant said. And now it's time for the building. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a piece of cardboard, fold it into a V, like something like this. And then take your hot glue gun, and then glue it on, like, so it has like two little blobs.
Stop. Also, if you're like more younger, then you could ask your mom and dad if you need help with the hot glue gun and the building.
That's what my partner said. And the next step is to take your bulb, glue it on like this. So it's like a little door handle. And that's what we're going to do for the other side. So we're going to fold it into a V. Take your hot glue gun. You glue both the sides. You take this and you attach it to the side. Oh wait, no, it didn't work. So glue it, take it, and attach it. So we made 2 of the doorknobs. The next thing is we're gonna add some of the railings. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 2 shish kebab skewers. We're gonna take this hot glue gun, and the other thing we're gonna do is we're going to take it. We're going to glue the bottom, and then we're going to glue it onto the top to make it something like a rock. You see? And we're gonna do that to the other one too. So it's more like it's more detail. So what we're going to do is first we're going to take our shish kebab skewer. We glue it on and make a second railing. So if you want some more details, you can add it on your own. So I'll see you on the last slide to test our Forerunner. Okay, see you there.
We're going to be testing this bad boy out. I hope you have a lot of fun. 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Whoa! Grab it. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. So, if you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button or hit the bell button. And make sure you let us know you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.